believe I lose power when I expose my head.
I will find you in direct contempt of court.
When this defendant refused to remove his hat, claiming it would take away his spiritual power, the judge called his excuse manipulative and found him in direct contempt when he refused to back down.
251925M1312. Mr. Richmond, come on, join your attorney, please. Mr. Richmond, would you please remove your hat in the courtroom?
I'd prefer for spiritual reasons not to.
Would you describe that to me further?
I believe I lose power when I expose my head fully, so I'd prefer not to remove my hat because I feel like I need power in here.
Okay, I'm going to order you one more time. I do not find that persuasive. In fact, I find it manipulative. I'm going to order you one more time to remove your hat out of respect for the court as I order, and I just wanted to let you know that failure to comply, I will find you in direct contempt of court. Do you understand that?
As long as you understand, you're asking me to yield my power spiritually, in a literal sense. This is what you're doing. This is what you've done last time. This is what you guys always do. And, I think that's really...
I don't understand your answer. I'm ordering you to remove it again with you understanding the consequences. Do you understand the consequences of failure to remove your hat?
Can you please explain them?
Yes, I will hold you in direct contempt of court, finding that after repeated warnings, you failed to comply with the court's order and that it undermines the dignity and the authority of this court. What is your response to my final order to remove your hat?
Sir, I really insist on this, and I feel really strongly spiritually about it, and it's time for me to take the consequences of that.
The court has found that the defendant has been warned multiple times to remove his hat. He's been given sufficient notice and given a direct order, in fact, to remove his hat. I find it to be incredible, manipulative, and in direct contempt of the court. I find that he does so intentionally, and because of that, he is in direct contempt. Mr. Richmond, you're given the opportunity, and you can just stay right there to tell me anything you want before I decide on the sentence or the direct contempt. If you want to say something, you may. If you don't, that's fine too.
I don't want to say much, but all there is to say that it's like a religion to me. It's personal. It's semi-parallel to what a lot of religions and cultures believe. And if I embellish too much, then that would be wrong.
If you embellish, mean add more to it?
Yeah, that is part of my belief.
Okay, thank you. I'm not going to call it anything. I will note that you are wearing a traditional black winter hat that shows no signs of any cultural or religious affiliation, nor have you identified any other than a personal belief that you would like to wear a hat to maintain power. Again, I don't find that to be persuasive, as I've already said. Court, again, finding the defendant direct contempt of court. I'll sentence you to 1 day in the Boulder County Jail. The rules remain the rules.